In today's Tuesday tip on the fly, we're going to be talking about how to create Instagram highlight covers. So if you're not sure how to do this, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this and what apps work good for you. Hi there, my name is Christina Spoor, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so you get all the new videos that I publish to help you with your business. So let's dive right in. So one of the first reasons you want to have highlight covers is because it is front and center for people to see. And when I first had highlight covers, I actually just used the image or whatever was the first one that was there, which necessarily isn't really enticing or sometimes doesn't make sense for what you're doing. So I actually learned, and I really liked having something congruent and the same things with an image that makes sense for what I'm saying. Like if I have courses up or if I have videos up, if I have even like my lifestyle or fun stuff that I'm doing, I have that for a separate one as well, so people can get to know a little bit more about me and what I do. What you'll want to do is you'll want to, let's see, so I like to use the story highlights to make my cover, and there's a lot of customizable or customizing options that you can do. Now, of course, you can pick what colors you want, what little images you want, or even if you just want to use text. I personally decided I like to use the image because I'm going to have the text underneath it saying what that blurb is, or what that what the story highlight is. So you log into your Storylight app and you can see that there's options for you to pick from, and some will have a little lock symbol up top and then some won't, and you'll be picking the ones from the non-lock symbol depending on what style you want to do. You have lots of choices. Of course, you can always upgrade and purchase these unlock symbols. You can see they have a little buy the package, but I personally just use the free ones. So you can pick which section or which area you think looks best. So let's just say we're going to do a little conversation dude because I like that background. But like I said earlier, you can change the color of it. Come in here and you can see there's lots of different choices for, oh, it's loading, for colors that you can add on the background. Just go through like the marble look, lots of different. Then when you scroll over, some will be locked and some won't. So you can just decide what you want to do. Then what you can do, you can also pick the frame. So this is like the background of it. You can see how that changed, the double circle. Maybe if you just want the banner through it or have just a simple circle going around it. I typically like to have a background on it, and you can also change that color by just coming over here and dragging it and changing the color or clicking. But I'm going to leave it white. I liked it white. And then you'll go into stickers and you'll go through all these stickers up here. You can see there's some locked ones and some that aren't locked. So if you need more stickers, you can always purchase those if you'd like. So we'll just go into, let's say, this guy right here, and let's say we want to do travel. So we'll just add the travel plane. We like that, and then I'll hit save. Oh, little ad pops up. So it saved it. So what you'll do is you'll just add it to your stories, and you'll just go to your images, you'll add it, and then you'll just hit send, and then you'll hit share, and then what you can do is you can add it to a highlight right then and there. That way you don't have to go back, and since it's a new one, I'll just hit add new, and then you can see that it's a new highlight, and I'll just say travels, travel, done. And I'll add that, and then it'll be a highlight on there, but I don't want to necessarily add that as a highlight, so I'm not going to completely add it, okay? And yeah, okay, that was real quick. I showed you exactly what you need to do to create your highlight cover, the app you use, as well as how to create it step by step. And of course, there's lots of other story apps out there, or story highlight apps if you want to use them. You can go to your app in your store in your phone, the Google Store or whatever store you use, and download those and see which one you like. I just use this one, and I find this one works really well. With that being said, question for you. How easy do you think it is to create a highlight cover from seeing this video? And do you think it's effective to have highlight covers? Do you think that having stories and saving them so people can view them in the future is effective? And that is it. That was Tuesday's tip on the fly. I hope you learned lots. On Friday, we'll be doing Friday's curiosity video, and we'll be talking about which social media site you should be using for your business. We'll dive into that. So make sure you subscribe and don't miss out on that video, and like this video if you learned exactly how do you set up an Instagram story highlight cover. I will see you in Friday's video.